To clean the pumps used for water suppletion, three components are important: the connection points of the pumps on the side of the container, the pumps themselves, and the system controls located around the corner on the left. The controls are operated via the black screen on the control cabinet. This is a touch screen. The instruction consists of 6 parts. The introduction provides information about the water suppletion system. Then an instruction on how to stop the flocculant preparation, how to de-energize the relevant pump, how to open, clean, and close the pump, how to re-energize the pump, and how to restart the system. There are 2 pumps that supply the water for the system. One pump supplies water for the flocculant preparation. This pump delivers surface water to the flocculant preparation tank. There, the powder is mixed with the makeup water. In addition, there is a pump that supplies the dilution water. In the field, the connections and pipelines lie next to each other. The pumps are positioned next to each other in the water. The electrical connections must absolutely not be swapped. Pay attention. Check the labels on the cables and connectors. To remove the pump inlet filter, you will need a flat screwdriver, a rubber mallet, and a few tissues. Before cleaning, the flocculant preparation must be stopped. Stopping the system is done via the touch screen. Activate the touch screen using the push button on top of the screen. Press it, and a login screen will appear. Tap the username field. The keyboard will appear. Enter the username and then the password. Press Log On. The control screen will now appear. Press the square button for prep, flock, on, off. The square button will switch to 0. Flocculant preparation is now stopped. Follow the electrical cable from the container to the connector. Disconnect the connector. The pump is now de-energized and out of operation. Place the screwdriver on the edge of the filter. Gently tap the filter loose using the rubber mallet. The filter is now released. Use a tissue to clean the outside and inside of the filter. Also remove any debris from the inside of the pump. Clean all around thoroughly. Place the pump filter back in position. Attention! Ensure that the locking tab fits into the slot. Give a light tap with the rubber mallet. Hang the pump back into the water. Ensure it hangs freely so it can draw in clean water. Follow the electrical cable from the container to the connector. Reconnect the connector. The pump is now back in operation. The system can now be restarted. If the control screen is still visible, the system can be restarted immediately. Press the square button showing 0 for prep, flock, on, off. The square button will switch to 1. Flocculant preparation is now active again. If the screen is black, activate it again using the push button on top of the screen. Tap the username field to bring up the keyboard. Enter the username and password. Press Log On. The control screen will now appear. Press the square button showing 0 for prep, flock, on, off. The square button will switch to 1. Flocculant preparation is now active again.